Your blood is more than just a red liquid flowing through your veins. It holds a secret, a mystery millions of years in the making. Why do humans have different blood types? And more importantly, why have these differences persisted through evolution? The answer will take us deep into our prehistoric past, through deadly plagues, and into the heart of natural selection itself. Before we dive into history, let's break it down simply. Blood types are determined by antigens, tiny markers on the surface of red blood cells. The two most important systems are the ABO system and the RH factor. You've probably heard of type A, B, AB, and O. But why do these variations exist? To answer that, we need to go back, way back. Scientists believe that early humans may have started with just one blood type, most likely type O. But as human populations spread across the planet, something strange happened. Mutations gave rise to new blood types. Type A, then B, and finally AB. But why? What was the advantage of these new blood types? The answer lies in one of nature's greatest forces, disease. Throughout history, deadly diseases wiped out entire populations. But some people survived, and often their survival was linked to their blood type. For example, scientists believe that type O blood might have evolved as a defense against malaria. This could explain why type O is still the most common blood type worldwide. Meanwhile, type A may have provided protection against certain bacterial infections that thrived in early European settlements. Type B, which is more common in Asia, may have evolved to combat diseases that were prevalent in those regions. Fast forward to the Middle Ages. One of the deadliest pandemics in history, the Black Death, wiped out millions. But not everyone was equally affected. Some blood types may have offered a slight advantage in resisting the plague, and over time, these survivors passed their blood type advantages to their children. Even today, we see patterns in blood type distribution. Type A is more common in Europe, type B in Asia, and type O in regions heavily affected by malaria. It's as if nature itself has been fine-tuning human survival through blood. But if that's true, why hasn't one superior blood type taken over? The reason we still have multiple blood types is simple. There is no single best type. Each has its advantages and disadvantages. For example, type O might be resistant to malaria, but it's also more vulnerable to certain stomach ulcers. Type A may handle bacterial infections better, but studies suggest it could have a higher risk for heart disease. Nature balances the scales, ensuring that no one blood type dominates the human race. And here's where the mystery deepens. Even after decades of research, we still don't fully understand why blood types evolved the way they did. Did early humans adapt their blood to their diets? Some researchers think so. Hunter-gatherers may have been more likely to have type O, while early agricultural societies had more type A. Others believe blood type might influence more than just immunity, possibly even personality traits. But is that science or myth? As we look to the future, researchers are asking new questions. Could we one day eliminate blood type differences altogether? Scientists are currently working on artificial blood that could be transfused into anyone, regardless of type. If successful, it could revolutionize medicine. But for now, our blood remains a biological fingerprint of our past, shaped by evolution, survival, and the unseen battles our ancestors fought. So the next time you hear someone ask, "What's your blood type?" remember, it's more than just a medical detail. It's a story written over millions of years. But that's only the beginning. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories.